Namaste students. Our today's topic is athletics. Athletics is considered the mother of all sports. In athletics, there are two types: track events and field events. First, we will see track events. History of athletics. Athletics, also known as track and field or track and field athletics, is a collection of sports events that involves running, throwing, and jumping. The name is derived from the Greek word athlon, meaning contest. Athletics was the original event at the first Olympics in 776 BC, where the only event held was the stadium length foot race or state. Organization: the International Association of Athletics Federations in the worldwide governing body for the track and field events and athletics as a whole. Associations at the national, state, and local level generally follow IAFF rules through modifications can exist. The Philippine Amateur Track and Field Association is the national governing body for athletic sports such as track and field, road running, cross country running, and race walking in the Philippines. Track and field dimensions. Now you are seeing in brown color, it is the track. On track, there are 8 lanes. Total track is of 400 meters. Now, inside track in green color, there are high jump, long jump and triple jump, javelin, shot put throw, pole vault. These are the field events. Types of crouch starts. There are three main types of crouch starts. First one, bullet start. The first type of sprint start is called a bullet or bunch start. The toes of the back foot are about level with the heel of the front foot. Both of the feet are placed well behind the starting line. The toe to toe distance is said to be 25 to 30 centimeters. In this start, your feet are closest together compared to the other starts. Because your feet are close together, your legs and body are bunched together. That is why it is called the bunched or bullet start. Medium start. The second type of sprint start is called medium start. In this, the knee of the back leg is opposite the front foot. The toe to toe distance said to be 40 to 55 centimeters. In this start, the feet are closer together than the elongated start but further apart than the bullet start. It's in the middle. That's why it is called the medium start, because it is in between the other two. Elongated start. The third type of sprint start is called the elongated start. The sprinter has their knee of the back leg level or slightly behind the front foot's heel. The toe to toe distance is 60 to 70 centimeters. In this start, your feet are spread out rather than the other two. Your back leg is stretched or elongated behind you. Running event. Short distance or sprints. A sprint is a short running race. In a track and field competition, there are generally three different sprint distances: 100 meter, 200 meter, and 400 meter, indoor in 60 meter. The original Olympic event, the stadium race, was a sprint of around 180 meter. Middle distance. The middle distance races are the 800 meters, the 1500 meters, and the 1 mile long runs. These races require different skills and tactics to win that the sprints. They rely more on endurance and pacing than just pure speed. The runners don't stay in a single lane for the entire race. Long distance. There are three main long distance races: the 3000 meters, the 5000 meters, and the 10,000 meters races. These races are similar to the middle distance races, but the emphasis is even more on correct pacing and endurance. Relay races. Relay event. There are two very common relay events: the 4 by 100 meters relay and the 4 by 400 meters relay. Relay races are the only track and field event in which a team of runners directly compete against other teams. Typically, a team is made up of 4 runners of the same sex. Each runner completes their specified distance before handing over a baton to a teammate. There is usually a designed area where athletes must change the baton. Teams may be disqualified if they fail to complete the change within the area or if the baton is dropped during the race. A team may also be disqualified if its runners are deemed to have willfully impeded over competitors. In the shorter relay, each runner covers 100 meters. In the longer 400 meters relay, in which members run different distances, are called middle relays. Hurdles. Hurdling is the act of running and jumping over an obstacle at speed. In the sport of athletics, hurdling forms the basis of a number track and field events, which are a highly specialized form of obstacle racing. In these events, a series of barriers known as hurdles are set as precisely measured heights and distances which each athlete must pass by running over. Step up. The placement of the hurdles depends on the length of the race and the sex of the athlete. 10 hurdles are used in the 100 meter, 110 meter, and 400 meter hurdles races. Men run the 110 meter races within 9.14 meters between the hurdles, and women run the 100 races with 8.5 meters between hurdles according to IAAF rules. Both men and women run the 400-meter races within 35 meters between hurdles. Hurdling event, 60-meter hurdles. The indoor hurdles event includes just 5 evenly spaced hurdles: 100-meter or 110-meter hurdles. The outdoor sprint hurdle events offer one of the last bastions of gender difference in senior track and field, as the women's sprint hurdles event is 100 meters long while the men run 110 meters. Both events feature 10 evenly spaced hurdles, 400-meter hurdles. Both genders run a full lap in the law hurdles event, which also includes 10 evenly spaced barriers. Steeplechase, not a pure hurdles event, the steeplechase combines distance running and a different form of hurdling. The 3000-meter race features no barriers on the first lap. Each of 7 subsequent laps includes 5 hurdle jumps, one of which is followed immediately by a water pit that slopes upwards. The better jumpers are rewarded by leaping into shallower water. The race begins on a curved starting line. Runners do not remain in the lanes.